Presenting the Universal TR6 Thermostatic Expansion Valve from Danfoss. It's the only TXV retrofit available that lets contractors profit from boosting system efficiency for residential customers with older equipment. With today's high-energy prices, many homeowners are interested in how to cut energy use on older systems without investing in expensive 13 SEER or higher equipment. Now you've got the answer: the Danfoss Universal TR6 Thermostatic Expansion Valve. With a TXV retrofit, you can boost system efficiency up to 15% on older equipment, depending on existing system's age and system configuration. And it will boost your service business because it's easy to install and easy to sell. With the Universal TR6 retrofit, a homeowner can significantly reduce energy costs and get a quick return on their investment. The TR6 valve gives a big efficiency boost by making sure the coil maintains a 90% refrigerant gas saturation level. As a leading thermostatic expansion valve manufacturer, Danfoss developed the Universal TR6 design specifically for the HVAC aftermarket. A patented internal check valve, adjustable superheat, and adaptable inlet and outlet ports make it easy to work with. Just select refrigerant, tonnage, and connection type and install. It's called the Universal TR6 valve because just 7 models cover a wide range from 1 to 6 tons in R22 and R410A systems. So instead of stocking several different OEM valve designs, you can put a dozen TR6 valves in a truck, so now you'll have one to show and one to go for practically any system. Now let's look at how easy it is to retrofit the Universal TR6 valve. Here's a traditional A coil using a distributor and capillary tube design. After pumping down the refrigerant charge, simply cut or unthread the 3/8-inch indoor coil inlet tube near the body and disconnect the metering device, if any. In the Universal TR6 kit, you'll see a female arrow quip and female chat lift connector. The TR6 valve also accommodates a traditional flare or 3/8-inch sweat fitting. Outside the unit, braze the outlet fitting you selected to the TR6 outlet port. But before you do so, wrap the body of the TR6 in a wet towel or use heat block paste to protect the internal components. And as always, keep the sensor bulb away from the heat. After brazing the female connector, keep the towel in place while you sweat the inlet to the existing 3/8-inch liquid line pipe. Because every application is slightly different, some adjustments with the liquid line may be needed. Remove the towel and tighten the outlet coupling. Now the temperature and pressure sensors can be put into place. Locate the refrigerant return line manifold. The sensors will be located on the large suction line. Let's begin with the equalizer tube installation. Connect to an existing access port, or a suitable connection can be made by brazing a port into the attachment or to a copper T.
Good. Now I'm going to
Locate a horizontal section of the suction line and place the temperature sensing bulb on the top of the pipe and locate it between the 10 and 2 o'clock positions. If this is not possible, a vertical bulb position is also possible. In this case, it should be located on the inner side of the tube away from the back side that encounters oil and heavy turbulence. Mount the cap tube facing upwards. Using the copper strap, tighten the bulb onto the pipe. This will create a slight indentation in which to seat the bulb securely. Completely wrap the bulb and all exposed ends with the included insulation tape. This ensures the bulb is sensing the refrigerant, not the ambient temperature. Now with the TX valve and sensors installed, perform a leak check on all connections. After ensuring there are no leaks, properly charge the system, ensuring there's the correct amount of subcooling. Low subcooling indicates refrigerant charge is too low. High subcooling indicates refrigerant charge is too high. It is important to let the system run for 5 minutes for stabilization. After the system is properly charged and adjusted, reattach the side panels. And that's it. The Universal TR6 is a cinch to install. For technical support, just call our aftermarket hotline. Danfoss ensures your success on every job, including heat pumps and all various OEM models currently in the field. Now your customers aren't stuck with older, less efficient systems. Tell them you've got an update that adds efficiency and cuts utility bills. The Universal TR6 Retrofit. Only from Danfoss.